Welcome to another Investor.com video. In this one, we'll take a quick look at the Tesla forecast template that's now available for free to all subscribers. As always, we're using our Google Sheets add-on to input the reported financial data, stock prices, and ratios into our sheet. If you don't have access yet, head over to Investor.com to get the add-on. Okay, so for this one, we built this forecast template with the idea that users can further manipulate the inputs based on how you view the future growth of Tesla and what is your target PE ratio for entry. At the top here, we have the 2019 summary of the auto market, with the major manufacturers and their respective performance. We omitted 2020 given the irregular data from the pandemic. Below this are the inputs that you can adjust accordingly. The PE is included as this produces a corresponding price target in the table below. Growth of each section of Tesla's business can be adjusted separately, along with the net income margin you believe Tesla can achieve. In the table here, we've provided actual data as reported in their financial statements, and the forecast data that is then dependent on the inputs you choose. Some helpful tips. We included the summary of the auto market in 2019 to give you an overview of what is the addressable market for the automotive business of Tesla. For instance, if they deliver 700,000 vehicles in 2021, then they will achieve approximately 1% share of the global market. The same should be done to the energy business to determine what is the addressable market for the energy business of Tesla. Once you are comfortable with this data, then you can begin to work out what market share Tesla can achieve in each. For instance, Toyota is the largest automotive manufacturer, producing around 10 million vehicles annually. If you believe Tesla can achieve the same, better, or worse, then you can adjust your forecast accordingly. Then from there, you can start to form a value of the business and what is a good price to pay. Building a forecast sheet like this is a great exercise to do for all stocks you are investigating. To get access to this template and many others, head over to Investor.com. Please like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.